2019 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.